Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations. I'm here in a kid's bedroom and I want to show you the coolest thing in here of all are actually the Duette shades that cover this window. These are amazing. These block out the light. I'm going to show you how they've got this Duette LightLock system, which ensures no light can get around the edges, which is great for a baby if you want them to sleep in, or personally, someone like me who loves to sleep in on the weekend, I'd love these too. Like seriously, how amazing is that block out capability? And it's all operated by PowerView and this little pebble, basically a remote control. And the great thing about Duette shades, which I've got them in my home, is they've got this honeycomb system, cell system, which makes them insulating. It ensures they provide that great block out. And the great thing about the Duettes is there are no cords, so it's really child friendly. These are like just the best invention ever. Natural light really has the ability to transform a room. Window coverings play an important part in how natural light interacts with your interior environment. Different areas of the home may require different window treatments based on the function of that space. And it's the perfect solution for bedrooms, nurseries, and media rooms where maximum darkness is required.
Go ahead, get loose now. Go ahead, get loose now.
So if you think you need some Duette shades in your life, head to the Luxaflex website, organise a consultation. They'll custom make these just for you.
Yeah. And if you ain't heard the news, let me show you what you